Mille RM 029 automatic with oversized jet. Caliber RMAS 7 synchronized automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, seconds, oversized jet and variable geometry rotor. The base plate and bridges are made up of grade 5 titanium with tatolite treatment. This provides the whole assembly grade rigidity as well as precise surfaces flatness, which is essential for the perfect functioning of the gear train. The oversized jet bring is back PVD treated. Special attention to the elimination of problems caused by external shock is accentuated by the penicillin being giving incapable protections on both dial and movement side. In its entirety, the caliber RMAS 7 with 32 jewels and beating at 4 Hz was specially manufactured to offer exceptional timekeeping properties. The design allows the renewing of the mainspring to be adapted most effectively to the user's activity level within sports. A layers environment. The arms of the rotor are the grade 2 titanium with specific adjustable ribs made up of 18K with white gold. The, the weight of segment along the outer edge is white gold with the rotor's ball bearing made from a special and highly durable ceramic materials.